Hi guys, today I've come up with a very important concern. It's a chronic concern related to the place I hail from, and that is Darjeeling. It was the Queen of the Hills. The reason why I perpetually use the word was because of what's going on at the moment. I'm sure everybody's following the news. Innocent people are getting massacred, killed brutally, broad daylight. You know, it was ironic to witness a woman who was in her early 20s, who was shot point blank range on the forehead only because she was peacefully protesting. And what are we protesting for? We're protesting and we're actually requesting the government to take a look into this demand which has been ongoing for so many years. A lot of people don't understand the fact that Gorkhaland was not a demand that cropped up just yesterday, right? It's been going on for about 30 to 35 years now. In fact, more than that. Now, a lot of people say, that your demand for Gorkhaland is not relevant, right? To them, I'd like to say little knowledge is dangerous. I won't want to get to the politics of it to explain why our demand is genuine, but I'm just going to give you an analogy, right? One of the biggest generators of tea and tourism in India is Darjeeling. If you check the most expensive tea in the UK, you'll figure that there's a brand called Okai tea. That is the most exquisite, most expensive tea sold in the UK, and that comes from Darjeeling. Now, West Bengal reaps that benefit. In return, what we get, as people from Darjeeling is 5% of the revenue that is generated for development. Precisely why, the roads aren't good, there is no facility there. Some of you will not be able to imagine the fact that a bucket of water for washing clothes costs about 40 rupees. 40 rupees for a bucket of dirty water to wash clothes. Alright, and we've been living, with these problems for so many years, but now, ever since Mamata Banerjee tried to include Bengali as one of the compulsory languages, when Nepali is supposed to be the first language there, every state has its languages, right? We have our language, Nepali, and, I take pride in that language. She was forcefully trying to include Bengali, as one of the languages there. And I think that is a direct hit, to the people in Darjeeling, and the water had risen above sea level. Precisely why, now what has happened is people are protesting, but the way the government is dealing with this concern is appalling. Alright, so there are peaceful protesters there. There was lathi charge being used. We were still okay with that, but today, the bullets being exchanged, people are being killed. About 3 or 4 people have already died today, and I don't know how many lives you'll have to lose to finally, have the center wake up and understand the sobriety, of the concern. And that's the reason why I'm joining my hands to everybody out there at Facebook. I'll explain the reason why. I'm sure you're convinced. If you are convinced, please share this video so that it goes to as many people as possible. We're trying to raise awareness. We're trying to reach the center because we need help. Alright, SOS calling, save our souls, we need help. So here's a couple of lines I've written, alright, and this needs to be passed on. सुनो सुनो PMG, ये कहानी है उनकी जिनका नाम है गोरखाली, जिन्होंने इस देश के लिए ही दे डाली कितनी कुर्बानी। 65 की लड़ाई में इन्होंने वीरता दिखाई, इन्होंने कारगिल के वक्त भी बहुत खून है बहाई, लेकिन आज इन लोगों की ऐसी नौबत है आई कि अपने ही घर में भी इन्हें नहीं है आज़ादी। आज पहाड़ की रानी को है बहुत परेशानी, बिजली पानी की कमी कारण है दीदी की मनमानी। जय माँ काली आयो गोरखाली, हमरो भाषा हो नेपाली, नहीं सीखना है बंगाली। हमारे औरतों को पीटो, हमारे बुजुर्गों को जकड़ो, हमने अब ठान लिया है, मन में अब मान लिया है, हमें चाहिए अपना लैंड जिसको कहते हैं गोरखा लैंड। टी और टूरिज्म के दम से जितना पैसा आता है उसमें से 95% इनके जेब में ही जाता है। ना स्कूल है अच्छा खराब, लगभग सब है सब रास्ता है, हॉस्पिटल्स की कमी, चारों तरफ है बेईमानी। इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स के कारण प्राइम मिनिस्टर छूते हैं आपके चरण और ये विनती करते हैं दे दो हमारा अपना गोरखा लैंड। जय माँ काली आयो गोरखाली, हमरो भाषा हो नेपाली, नहीं सीखना है बंगाली। हमारे औरतों को पीटो, हमारे बुजुर्गों को जकड़ो, हमने अब ठान लिया है, मन में अब मान लिया है, हमें चाहिए अपना लैंड जिसको कहते हैं गोरखा लैंड। So I cry for Gorkha land. Please, ladies and gentlemen, pass this message on. We need to create awareness. We need your help. I beseech, I beg all of you to please help us out. People are dying over there. The media is bought. They're only showing one side of the message. But our demand is very genuine. We don't want to be ruled by the Bengal government that is not pro-development. Jai Gorkha.